Why do billion-dollar military machines need a shower? Just ask the CH-47 Chinook. The CH-47 Chinook is an engineering marvel, designed to excel in harsh environments. However, even this powerhouse isn't invincible. Keeping these helicopters clean isn't just for aesthetics, it's crucial for optimal performance. Just like a samurai's katana demands meticulous care, the Chinook's sensors and moving parts can malfunction if dirt and debris accumulate. After all, downtime at the wrong moment could flip mission success on its head, much like a bad vector in a tight economic market disrupts entire supply chains. Moreover, cleaning routines in Japan follow their own zen of maintenance, focusing on consistency and detail akin to Japanese auto manufacturing's just-in-time philosophy. The military's version of this could be called just-in-flight maintenance. In an era where autonomous systems and AI promise self-maintenance, the CH-47 hints at a paradox: the human hand remains irreplaceable. This meticulous care reminds us that while defense tech constantly evolves, merging human mindfulness with machine precision could be the understated secret driving both clean helicopters and cutting-edge autonomous systems. Keep an eye on defense trends to witness how this synergy might revamp operational doctrines worldwide. Follow for more defense tech insights that break